off.
And we're off now. 2022, and we're transmitting on red today, aren't we, for the first time?
Yep.
And we're up here in the teeth of a gale, because not very often are we out, but we need one today, don't we? Absolutely we do. We nearly lost the car door when we got here, and last time we came it was mince pies. Today it's Christmas cake still.
You could make a whole slice with all the crumbs that's come together.
Well, just suck them up. Don't waste them. There you go. There you go. Look at that, it's full of it. Yeah, what it's usually is an usual one of our transmissions. I talk and Ali eats.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're more concentrating on keeping safe today. Oh look, there's a child screaming. How lovely, lovely. We'll have that. We've had the ubiquitous dog trying to pick our cake, haven't we? We always do. People walking by, looking.
I thought she was going to look at us. I wonder if I was talking. What should I do? What talking
Why
to?
are they talking to that rectangular thing? Just nicely red. Yeah. All here today. All here today. We thought we'd been back at school. We haven't so many. There's somebody coming here now with a tiny little dog. It's probably one of those, not a cockapoo, what do they call it? A shih tzu poo. Anyway, I'm stopping now because you're eating. You're not talking, are you? Hey? Are you? Switches off. Switches off. It's over to you.